Hello everyone, welcome to Lecker Treat and thank you so much for being here. My name is Benedicta and in today's video we are making homemade strawberry jam. So for our ingredients, we need fresh strawberries. You can also use frozen strawberries if that is what you have. We need some sugar and lemon juice. So we'll begin by chopping off the leafy attachment to the strawberry and then cut it into smaller sizes. The strawberry has been thoroughly rinsed. We'll then place the chopped strawberry into a pan and we'll be mashing it up a bit. I'm using my potato masher. You can also use your hands to do this. So next we'll be adding our sugar to it. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then we'll mix everything well together. This is how beautiful it's looking already. Next, we'll be placing our mixture over medium heat and we'll stir it until it begins to boil. Once it begins to boil, we'll notice that a frothy film will begin to form. And we'll be cooking this for 30 minutes in total. And about 20 minutes into the cooking time, we'll be scooping off the frothy film that is left behind. And at this point, most of our liquid will have evaporated considerably. And our strawberry jam is looking so beautiful already. To find out if it's cooked, if the thickness is all right, we'll place a plate in the freezer for about 5 minutes and take it out, scoop a portion of the jam into it, spread it out evenly and run our finger across it. If we flip it and it doesn't run over to the other side, then it means that we are done. We'll then be placing it into sterilized jars and allow it to cool down. Kindly note that this is not a regular canning procedure, so we'll be keeping this in our fridge for storage. And that is it. We don't need much. We used 100% live fruits and some sugar and lemon juice. Have this with your toast, with your pancakes. Today I'll be having mine with some toast. And it's time for tasting. Let's see how we did. Look at the consistency of it. Look at how creamy it looks. And the vibrant red color is all natural. There is no food color added to this. That is all it takes to make your strawberry jam at home with just a few ingredients. You'll make this awesome goodness all at home for your kids and family to enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching and please subscribe, like it if you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye!